Hello everyone, welcome back to BJ Tech channel. In today's video, I want to teach you guys some fake transfer trick that all these scammers are using to fool some people online. Because I know you guys are very fall into scam, so I'll be showing the kind of fake transfer that you guys have already come across before. You'll be seeing it on the screen. You can see it. You see it. This is what I want to teach you guys. I want to teach you how to do this fake transfer so that you guys will stay safe, because they have used this fake a lot of a thing to scam you guys. So stay tuned and get information about this video so you understand. Do not use it for scamming. It's for educational purpose. Please, let's get started. Firstly, if you are using Android, this is for you. Firstly, go head over to your Play Store. Head over to your Play Store and search for Notifier. This is the app you are downloading. They have many apps, but I will use this app for today. I'll use this app. We are sticking with this app. After you download this app, let me show you how to use it. How the trick works. You open the app. This is how it works. This is it now. You can see it now. You can clone any app. Let me clone another app. Let me clone palm op. So you see this question mark logo, you click it. After clicking it, you see different app that you can clone. You can clone access bank, but I'll be using op. You can see it. Once you click on op, this title here now, this title here, you click on you know all these things now. I don't want to show you exactly how I'll be typing it or what. If you know how to, I know how to do it, but I won't be showing you. I'll just do the write up anyhow it is. Do not use it to scam people, please. I'll just do it anyhow. I'm doing this video for you guys to know how it works so that you won't fall into scammers again. So let's continue. Here na the whole title here now. It's very easy. You write the title as let's if you want to receive money from opay, there's one um notification that will come in. Maybe opay will tell you that payment successful, abi credit alert. Let's use credit alert as example. Credit alert, credit alert. I just use that one example. So this test now is like um you receive, there's like you have received so amount. Let's write 5,000 naira. So amount. So you have received 5,000 naira to your opay account. Let's write it like that. So if you can compose your own text very well for suitable usage, you can do it. You see this scheduling now, set scheduling now. This means the time you want to allow the notification to come in. You understand? If I want to do the instant notification, I can do it. Let me show you guys what I'm talking about. Instant notification, this is it. Ah, instant notification, you can see it. I've already do the instant notification. It has already come in. See what I'm talking. You see it. You have received 5,000 from op. You can see that there is op logo. See what I'm talking about. You can see that there is op logo. You see it. So you can see it. So like this now, the scammers want to use this as something. They will set the time. Like, let's say we are in 11:59. Okay, let's say that we want to receive it at, let's use 12:02. Okay, let's use 12:02. Shey you grab 12:02. You press ok. because already 12. Today is Wednesday, so the date and time is correct. Press okay. So like this now, I've already set it. We already set it to the time. So the description just can just write, you can leave that one, you can just leave that one. So let's just leave it, let's just set this like this. You just write update, you just press the update, you can see it now. So if I go away from this app now, you won't know, that. So I'll be expecting credit alert at exactly 12:02. It's not real credit alert oh, I'm showing you that it's a fake notification. It just pop up on the screen like you receive credit alert. So let's wait 12:02 whether we receive alert 12:02. So now to I've already set the notification to 12:02. So let's wait. Let's wait for the notification. Let me check the app notification site. Like I know on it. It's on. Why is it not showing? Suppose the notification suppose appear. Okay, I've received it now. See it. I've received it now. You can see it now. You can see what I'm saying. As I say, let me just check it through my notification. I didn't even know that it will appear. You can see it. It's fire OP credit alert 5,000 naira to your OP. So depend on the right of you use. But I'm using this as example. So do not use it as. So the funniest part is that if you click on this OP, this credit alert now, what those scammers are doing is that they will maybe they want to trick you guys. They receive money from so app or from so app. They receive money from so app. So you guys will believe after you see this credit alert, you still like believe. So they will maybe this 5K that I received, I will fund it already on my OP so that you guys won't notice. I'm talking about what those scammers are doing. They'll just fund the 5K on the OP like that. So once they click it, to be like once they click it here now, once they click it here, to direct them to OP, to direct them to their OP app. This is my OP app, this is my real OP app. So once I click it, you will see the money like it's there. They tell you that they already fund the money already. Hope you understand. That is how it goes. So do not use it as scam. Please save this video, share, subscribe. Please make sure you guys subscribe to my. Can see that after I receive the alert, this thing that is showing red before is now showing black. That means the message has delivered. So I want to set it again. See, I want to set the schedule time to 12:10. So you wait till 12:10. You just do it. It's a trick. You just do it as if they receive the alert. Okay. There's many apps. So if you don't want to miss this kind of update, you need to subscribe to this YouTube channel, like this video, and comment if you are enjoying this video. Please, guys, that is what you guys can do. Please share the video to your loved ones and your friends. Thank you, guys. Stay safe, stay secure. I love you guys.
Stay tuned for more tech insights. Like, share, and subscribe.